Hi everybody, it's Carrie again. I forgot to show you a couple more ice yarns that I got from my other unboxing. Baby Puzzle is very soft. 100% acrylic, 200 grams, 610 meters. It's a lightweight too. I would say it's a 3. I love the colors, how it plays out. Very pretty. This is workable. Next is Cakes Baby Blue. Okay, I can't open it. Cakes Baby Blue. Lightweight 3. 100 grams, 210 meters. 100% acrylic. Let me try. Come on. No, it's glued on. I love the pretty colors, the pastel colors. Next this is Sail Mohair wool. I had started working with it. It's very soft. Look at the glitter. It's a gold color. Sail Mohair wool blend. 50 grams, 150 meters. 10% mohair, 85% acrylic, 5% metallic. It's very, very, very soft. I'd wear a scarf under it, garment. Bermuda mohair. The greens. 70% mohair, 30% acrylic, 100 grams, 500 meters. Lightweight 3. And it is a lightweight 3, and it's very soft. I have some more coming. Mohair Active. This is another one that's very, very soft. %50 mohair, 50% acrylic. 100 grams, 500 meters. It's a lightweight too. I love the browns and the cream color. Next is, I don't know where the other ball is. Sail Winter. It's soft. But it also has that scratchy feeling. 50 grams, 200 meters. 20% mohair. 12% polyester. And I'm not sure. Pretty forest green color. And then this one, I don't know what happened to the rest of it. Alpine Air Bliss. Alpine Air Glitz. The glitter. I love the bling. It's a 4-weight, 50 grams, 130 meters, 25% alpaca. %, merino wool, 15% acrylic, 10% polyamide, 20. Keeps repeating itself. So guys, that was the rest of my unboxing. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.